Now we are going to create an update to do operations. So we go to the type depth, and at here we click enter, and then we type update to do, and then we pass the ID, and then we have the title and also the detail string date. So we copy this and paste to here, and it should return the update to do. And then we go to the resolvers, and after we get the titles, IDs, details, and all the other things, we are going to create these functions, update to do, and we copy this and paste to here, and we will get the values from the arguments. So we destructure the ID, title, details, and also the date from the arguments, and then we create the update to do object. And then we are going to check if the title is undefined, then we will set the new title, otherwise we will use the original values. So we check if this is undefined, and then update to do dot title is equal to title. Now we do all the things in a similar way, so we copy this and paste twice. So we are going to update the detail and also the date. Now we are going to create the to-do is equal to await to-do dot find by ID and update, and we pass the ID and also the update to-do, and then we also add the new true, and then after that we return these to do. Now we go to here, and then we add the mutations. So we copy these and we paste to here, and now we are going to use the update to do, and then we copy this ID and we pass the ID and we paste the ID at here, and now we try to update the first to do to become having the title of second to do, and then we try to run this. Now you can see it returned the update to do. So now if we try to fetch all the to-dos, now you can see the name, the details already changed to second to do.